Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Trish, and I'm going to read you the book 1. Blue was a quiet color. He enjoyed looking up at the sky, floating on the waves, and on days he felt daring, splashing in rain puddles. Every once in a while he wished he could be more sunny like yellow, bright like green, more regal like purple, outgoing like orange, and overall, he did like being blue, except when he was with Red. Red was a hothead. He liked to pick on Blue. Red is a great color, he said. Red is hot and blue is not. Then Blue would feel real bad about being blue. Sometimes yellow comforted Blue. Blue is very nice color, she'd say. But yellow never said that in front of Red. She never said, "Stop picking on Blue." Green, purple, and orange thought Blue was nice too, but they never told Red to stop either. Every time Red said something mean, no one spoke up. He got bigger, bigger, and bigger. Soon, Red grew so big that everybody was afraid of him. No one dared stop him. Red picked on them, all the colors. Then everyone felt a little blue. Until one came. He had a different shape with bold strokes and square corners. Number 1. He was funny, and he made the colors laugh. Red saw this and got very hot. "Stop laughing," he told Yellow. "Stop laughing," he told Green. "Stop laughing," he told Purple and Orange, and they did. Red rolled up to one. "Stop laughing," he told him. But one stood tall like an arrow and said, "No." Red was mad, but one wouldn't budge. So Red rolled away. One turned to the colors and said, "If someone is mean and picks on me, one stands up and says no." Then Yellow felt brave and said, "Me too." Green agreed and said, "Me 3." Then purple became 4 and orange became 5. Blue saw the colors change. He wanted to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red grew hot. He felt left out. He grew hotter, hotter, and hotter. Red raced over to Blue and said what he always did. "Red is hot and blue is not." But this time, Blue stood up tall and became 6. "Red can be really hot," he said, "but blue can be super cool." Red blew a fuse and tried to run over Blue. But everyone took a stand and said, "No! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seeing them stand tall made Red feel very, very, very small. Then Red turned even redder and began to roll away. Blue called out, "Hey, Red, be hot, and blue can be cool." Red stopped in his tracks. "Red can count too," said one. Red rocked and rolled and turned into 7. "Everyone counts," they shouted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then Red laughed and joined in the fun. Sometimes it just takes one. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. It's one of my favorites. We all need to get along in these tough times, but we're all going to do fine. So I found some jelly beans. I found a gray, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, and red. And if we count them, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? The 7 numbers. I'm going to put them in this container, and I'm going to cover them with water. And you could try this at home too and see what happens. Give it 10 minutes or so and keep them and see what happens in this little experiment. For the older kids, you can use hot water, cold water, vinegar, or seltzer water. But make sure you label which one is, because they're all clear liquids and you can't tell which one is which. So anyway, enjoy your jelly beans and see what happens to all the colors. Alrighty, you all be good. Take care, bye.